I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution, where I talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you to smash the like button, trying to get a like spike going, trying to get to 1,000 likes a video. 1,000 likes. Hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. I'm going to keep you up to date on everything that's important for you to know in this space on a daily basis. Jumping right into the market today, crypto. Bitcoin at 63.33. Overall market cap of cryptocurrency, $178 billion. Toilet paper token, number 0. Must be April Fool's tomorrow. Probably April Fool's for a lot of people right now. Toilet paper token is out of stock. Currently, the circulating supply is 0. Out of stock. The 24-hour change, it's up 1,100%. Oh, and look, the chart even looks like a butt. I'm sure you guys saw this already, but I was just, people were posting in group earlier today, pretty comical of coin market cap. This is a Bitcoin 1-hour chart. Previously, we had this, potentially this is part of a head and shoulders pattern, right? So this could possibly be the right shoulder. You know, if this continues lower and basically breaks below this confirmation line, you know, there's significant downside ahead if this pattern is confirmed. Now, Bitcoin just dropped from about 64.70 down to about 6,200, 6,230. There's some support down here. You had strong volume on this move lower, so that when you get these large volume spikes with a move, that gives confirmation of the move, right? So, for example, if you got rising price on falling volume, you're looking for a reversal. If you've got falling price on falling volume, you're looking for a reversal. So this is falling price on increasing volume. Well, potentially we need to see what the next few volume bars are going to be, but Bitcoin trying to hang on here. And I'm going to talk about why this is a key support level. This is a Bitcoin 4-hour chart. Just know we broke out to the downside of this rising wedge. 5K is the measured move. This doesn't mean, hey, we're going to go there in a day or half a day or a week. I mean, potentially this could take a month to play out, right? Or even 2 months. We could just work our way down here, but this is the measured move, right? So bulls need to hold 6,000. Very important that the bulls hold this level. The bullish scenario here is if the bulls can break higher, break up above, 68.50, the price action, works its way back up and it breaks back into the rising wedge. This downside move becomes invalidated. Okay. So we're watching Bitcoin. We're gathering data every single day. We've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, working together, posting charts. I got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading this market at all, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Probably a lot of people have some time right now on their hands, potentially. It's a great time to learn to trade this market. Number one reason people join the group is they want to be in the best coins possible. I post profitable trading setups on a daily basis, and we've been just killing it lately. It's data. 266% gains out of data. Again, this setup was posted on the 14th. Huge pump for data. If you want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months, you get 20% off. You pay for the year, you get 30% off and an additional month for free. If you do want to pay with a card month to month, you can do so. There's a Patreon link in the description. You guys got to remember, the group is cheap. It's not designed to be expensive. It pays for itself in a couple trades. This is Dash. I talked to you guys about this the other day. Dash up 65% after it broke out of this falling wedge. 30 minutes later, boom, 26% gains in IOST. Bitcoin Cash has been another one. So the cool part about the trading group is everybody's working together. This person said, hey, shout out to Big Easy for this trade. I doubled my money in this trade setup that you posted. Another person posted an ADA chart, and Dylan said, ADA's made me $10,000 so far. Next person said, CBC, I'm up $29,000 this week because of you and your group. Amazing setups. Thank you for all you do. Bitcoin just plunged 4% after the monthly close. 8 p.m. Eastern time, monthly candle closes. last day of the month, daily candle close as well. But all your volume's going to come in based on these daily, weekly, monthly candle closes. So learn based on the time zone that you're in, UTC, basically 12 a.m. UTC time, these daily, weekly, monthly candles close. What's next for the market? $1 million question. Bitcoin monthly chart. Is this the bottom? Is this it? Is this the bottom? Is Bitcoin closed below the 21 simple moving average on the monthly chart? Now, it hasn't done this in a while. Last time this happened was previously when we ran from 6,200 to about 3,150. We ran down, we hit the 50 monthly moving average, and then bounced and ran up to 14,000. So I want you to notice how you've got this huge long wick here, similar to here. Even the current wick is actually a lot longer. Notice how the wick dropped below the 50 monthly moving average, then the monthly candle closed above it. So the low wick potentially here was the mark. This marked the bottom of the bear market, right? Previous bear market. This marked the bottom. So this is a Bitcoin daily chart. We had a golden cross and then the price dumped. And we had a death cross and the price retraced. So now what's next? It's important to know that you've got this head and shoulders possible pattern here. The bottom line is this. Here's what I want you guys to focus on. Like, don't worry about, hey, where's Bitcoin going a month from now? And Chris, in 57 days, what's the price of Bitcoin going to be? Let's worry about what's on this chart right now. Well, let's worry about what's in front of us. Take it level by level. The most important thing is the strategy is here. Buy the breakout of this move to the upside. Okay, if it doesn't break out, you have to assume it gets rejected and it heads back towards the bottom of this. This is a multi-month downtrend that we've been in since 14,000. We're back here. It's a decision time right here. Okay, key support level 6,200. This is previous support from 2018. Look at this. See this 6,200 price action, bounce, 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 bounce. This is key support right here. Very important. Bitcoin holds this level. If you guys haven't signed up for a VPN yet, I definitely recommend PureVPN. The link is in the description. That does support the channel. PureVPN, I'm super paranoid anytime I deal with crypto, and I want to make sure that everything's safe and secure. If you want to use Binance, BitMEX, Bybit, any of those exchanges, you can do so with PureVPN. Bitcoin all-time high in 2020. The chances are only 4%. Think about what's going on in the world. Like, to know that Bitcoin's not going to all-time high in 2020, is that reasonable? Yeah. I mean, it's not the end of the world. 2021 is going to be epic. Moon boot ready. The important thing is there's so much money to be made in this market. Bitcoin 3xing. You tell me any other market where you can do that in a short period of time. Cryptocurrency, life-changing money is coming. Just be patient. You want to know how these altcoins can take off, and we get these 10 and 20 and 50x altcoins during an alt season, the epic mega altcoin season, because these prices get destroyed. They run up crazy, and then they get destroyed, and then it's ready again. This market takes off. While a lot of traditional markets are getting hit hard, people are going to notice. And so just know that in my trading group, I've had an amazing number of people pay with PayPal because they've never bought crypto. Chris, I want to sign up for your group, and I want to pay for 6 months, or I want to pay for a year. And I want to pay with PayPal, or I want to put it on a card. Well, can you pay with crypto? Well, no, I've never bought crypto. Okay, so think about it. There's enough people in the world that know and understand how markets work, and they know that you don't want to buy the top. And this happened similarly when we were back down around 3,500 range as well with the group. So, and they're coming into crypto like, how do I buy crypto? What exchange do I use? Like, completely new to this market. New money's coming in slowly. Now, this is CME Futures Gap. Do you see how this, we talked about this previously, but you see how this CME Futures Gap, there's no candle here? CME Futures is closed. No price action. So the price moved. Remember, Bitcoin's 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, doesn't stop. This gap is created because there's no data right here. Well, whales, market makers more so, there's a bunch of orders right here that didn't get filled. Everybody had buy and sell orders right here. didn't get filled. So it's believed that the market makers push the price back and fill this gap so those orders get filled. And look at this. Price dropped and bounced immediately, and it ran up exactly, filled the gap, and sold off. You have to understand there's a lot of things going on in this market that you have to pay attention to. Neo Smart Economy. So Neo has announced privacy. It's gone private. Now you can transact Neo privately, and you can go incognito whenever you want. So Neo privacy. Vechain in the news. After a successful test phase, Shanghai Gas has now decided to further collaborate with Vechain to introduce a comprehensive blockchain-powered energy-as-a-service platform and business ecosystem that includes logistics, management, energy trading, and more. CoinMarketCap attracts 80% more traffic than Binance. 80%. So if you can't beat them, you can't join them, you just buy them. Binance is set to acquire CoinMarketCap. The deal could be worth as much as $400 million. Man, that's the website to start. Life-changing money comes in different forms. This is Bitcoin USD versus the USDT market cap. You could see that the market cap of Tether is just stair-stepping its way higher. There was over $6.3 billion worth of USDT. Look at this. Tether just continues to grow. Why is that? Is this new money about to jump into the market, or is it money on the sidelines waiting to be jump back into the market, or a combination of both? Is it potentially exchanges have all this extra Tether on standby because they're looking for a big move? You notice, look at this. Tether is trying to surpass XRP as the number 3 crypto on CoinMarketCap. Binance is going to be the Google of crypto. Don't count BNB out of it. Got a good use case. You get discounted fees on Binance with that. So this is Bitcoin supply that's held by BitMEX. So BitMEX has just been in shambles because everybody's screaming manipulation, 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 and BitMEX is just getting rich. Now, you can see that a lot of people have started moving their money off of BitMEX to other derivatives exchanges. Mass liquidations took place on March the 31st, and BitMEX has been a free fall over the past 2 weeks. Phantom partners with Chainlink. So this is from Chainlink official channel. Phantom selects Chainlink as the official Oracle solution recommended for use by all Phantom developers. Integrating Chainlink gives decentralized applications secure access to high-quality market data to build new DeFi products such as stablecoins, synthetic assets, and more. Phantom, Chainlink, DeFi. That's big news. This is active address dynamics, March versus February. So in February, the report stated 11 out of these 15 analyzed platforms had an increase in the amount of daily active addresses. But this month, 10 out of the 15 platforms experienced a decline, with top losers being XRP, Dogecoin, and Bitcoin SV. This is the March geographic Bitcoin interest chart. Now, this is based on local Bitcoins. You can see Russia up here at 23%, Venezuela, USA, Colombia, United Kingdom. Russia remains to be the clear leader in terms of volume. Approximately 23% of all Bitcoins were traded there. Again, this is on local Bitcoins, where it's kind of like almost like eBay for Bitcoins, right? A lot of times, United States is technically not even legal. Like you have to have licensing and whatnot to even buy and sell. Percentage change in Bitcoin trade volume within countries. You can see Australia, Thailand, China, Colombia, Morocco. Trade volume skyrocketing. Who's at the bottom? Mexico, United Arab Emirates, and Malaysia. Now you can use TradingView and chart Kucoin projects. Previously, you had to use Coinigy. Kucoin's coins were not available on TradingView. Check this picture out. Look at this. Like this obviously is potentially someplace in Asia, and they've got a sale going on. Apparently, they know what to sell. They've got little tiny hand bottles of hand sanitizer for 50 milliliters for $15. Let's see, you got some bigger bottles for $98, $78, some spray. Oh, look, bleach, $18. Sweet deal. You know, you can't price gouge people, though. Man, that's obviously, in this panic type situation, that's not the obviously the right thing to do. We need to be working together, help each other out, be there for one another, be supportive. What's your first thought when you read these figures? Check this out. England right now, because of this panic situation, they're paying 80% of people's salary. Denmark is paying 75% of people's salary. Canada is sending everybody $2,000 a month. In the United States, you get $1,200 one at a time, one shot. Here it is. Here's this guy is clearly underwater right now. But now, to be fair, in the comments, somebody brought up a good point and said, hey, United States, you guys get unemployment. You know, if you were working, you have unemployment as well. That wasn't taken into consideration in this infographic. I want to get your thoughts on this. Do you think how the United States is handling this situation the best that they can? Do you think this is the right thing to do? China's manufacturing activity expanded in March, topping expectations for contraction. Listen, give me your best conspiracy theory about what's happening here. Like, China's booming, according to this news. China's booming. Everybody else is obviously shutting down. Was it all planned out? Was this done on purpose? These are all the companies that control the world's global food market. Look at these charts. They're all down, 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 all getting hit hard. I was thinking, like, this situation potentially is going to change the way people see the world forever. You know, I'll always think twice about going anywhere after the situation. And it's just, I think in the United States, it's really just getting started where I'm at. Record amounts of crypto purchased during this month's crypto crash, according to Coinbase. Yes, and I've seen it. There's new money coming into this market. Maybe not in the amounts that we've seen before, enough to push this price, but there's a lot of new people coming into this market, like I talked to you about. Coinbase reaches 200 million Bitcoin and crypto payments milestone. There's a little plugin that you can use on your website, and you can take crypto payments via Coinbase. Pretty cool. BMW set to leverage blockchain technology solution for supply chain management. Blockchain is the future, without question. The only thing we have to be concerned about is that the mainstream that we want so badly to adopt this is potentially our biggest competition. For example, PayPal is hiring a blockchain strategy director. Is this going to help the price of Bitcoin? No. Are they going to use blockchain? Clearly. They're hiring a blockchain strategy director. This is all, crypto is software, and it's all mostly open source software. You can fork a coin. You can basically copy the code, fork a coin, and boom, there you go, hit the ground running. So just remember, like, if you have, like, I'm going to hold this coin for 10 years, man, there's so much that can change in 10 years, right? You have to be realistic, and you have to take profits out of this market. Take profits, take profits, take profits. Because if you don't take your profits, somebody else is going to take them. You don't lose money in this market, somebody else takes your profits. You ride these coins up 10x, right? And then you don't sell the top, and you're like, I'm going to just hold it. I'm just going to hold it for another couple of years. You're essentially, the price is declining because other people are selling and they're taking your profits, right? IMF issues 7-step guidance to preserve credibility and integrity of the global financial system and lessen the blow of this current panic situation. Preserve the credibility and integrity of the global financial system. It's crumbling right here. This is the biggest opportunity for crypto to boom, period. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.